Hello everybody, it's the 11th of December 2011 and just reported approximately 30 minutes ago now of a 6.7 magnitude earthquake in Mexico, and we're just looking here on earthquake 3D, and we can see that it's an extremely large area that it has covered. So we'll just cross over to the USGS and we'll just see what that has to report. So looking at the USGS, it has reported it as a 6.7 at a depth of 64.9 kilometers, and the region is Guerrero, Mexico. And I do apologize if that's not the exact pronunciation of that. But we also will have a look at the Mediterranean earthquake and see what that has to report. And again, as it says here, 33 minutes ago, and again they've registered it as a 6.7, depth of 61 kilometers. So no further news on that at the moment, but it is a very large earthquake, 6.7. And if there is any other further updates, I'll let you know. Thanks again everybody, thank you for your support. I hope everybody's having a fantastic weekend, and in the meantime we hope there's no casualties regarding this earthquake. Till next time, thanks again everybody, peace be with you.